Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, upgrading your iMac 27-inch with more memory. I think by default it comes with 8 gigs of memory with 4 DIMMs. So we have 2 extra slots, and one of the users in the office wanted us to upgrade it to 8 more to get it 16 gigs in total. So the first thing that you guys need to do is lay down the iMac on a soft surface, because again, you don't want to scratch the beautiful display, and the display is glass, so you don't want to do that. Next thing you want to do is lift the stand up a little bit, unplug all the power cables, any cables that's connected to it, just unplug it. Where you plug in the power, you will see a button, and if you press that button, you're gonna get a nice little, this little guy right here will release. So let me press it again. Gotta press it a little harder. Let's take a key and just put some force to it. There we go. So if you just take a key and you put some force in it, this should pop up, and once it pops up, there you go. Got your nice little display. Display basically shows you how to put the slots in, how to put the memory into the slots. So we're gonna put this to the side. The next thing that you want to do is these 2 little white things right here, just pull them, and once you pull them, the mechanism is gonna raise towards to you. Once it raises up to you, then it's time to put the extra memory. So I purchased the memory right here from Crucial. I purchased the memory from Crucial.com because they're pretty good with memory, especially with the iMacs and MacBooks and any Mac product. So it's 2 DIMMs, 8 gigs in total. Each DIMM has 4 gigs. So what we're gonna do is, again, I'm not replacing anything, I'm just upgrading and giving it more memory. So let's take the 2 DIMMs out carefully. And 1 DIMM is right here. We're gonna insert this DIMM. And the slots, this little slot right here should be on your right hand side, and we're going to slide it to the next slot right there, and take both of your thumbs, put them on the side, and just easily, firmly just push it down. Should go inside with no problem. Awesome. Same thing, most likely got the Lego, just turn it the other side. The slot has to be on the right hand side. And we're going to do the same thing for the next one. We're just going to insert it in and just firmly push it in. Now, once you have your extra memory, that's it. You have 4 slots taken over. So this beautiful device is going to have 16 gigs. And we're just going to easily just push it down, push that mechanism down. And it should lock in with no problem. I'm just making sure all the memory is inserted with no problem, because you don't want to have an error issue. So let's place this little door back in place, and that's it, guys. That is how you upgrade your iMac 27-inch. I believe this is the early 2014 edition. And hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them at the bottom of the comment section. Don't forget about hitting that like button, because it does support this guy up here. You can't see him. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.